days like today, you don't get that often. No wind, slick calm, and the sun's out. I hope we could catch. It's gorgeous. It's so nice out here. I don't even really want to fish. I just want to sit out here and enjoy it. I can't even hear nothing. Just Mother Nature. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's gorgeous. And just think, today I was unsure even if I was gonna come fishing. It's amazing. It's speechless. It's speechless. And the bait fish is jumping all over. The fish is in a feeding frenzy right now. We should do good. Let's get to it. Oh yeah. It's a slammer. It's a slammer. Can't let him go. Whoo! That dude is running. That dude is running. That's what we want. We want that big one. That dude demolished it. Dude. Bruh. Freaking toad. Yes. Yes, thank you. We weigh it patiently. Got that bait right in front of them. Worked out good. Seen them tailing. Back was up. They had a whole bunch right here. Look, they got another one right there taking off. We got him though. Hopefully he's not a big bull red. Hopefully he's right at that 27-inch mark. That'll be awesome. That'll be awesome. I feel like he's a real good one. Let me get down. Keep that tension on him. Might be a bull red. Hopefully he's not. We got the measuring board. Let's get him in. Nice. 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 Ooh, he's close. He's close to a bull. I felt it. Yeah, buddy. Whoa. Not by the trolling motor. God, he's big. He's definitely a bull. Wow. Man, let's get the board out. This is a professional redfish board. Professional redfish board. And this is what they do all the World Series tournaments with. If he ain't over 27, yeah, 29 inch red, guarantee this thing weighs a ton. This is a fat freaking fat red. Fat. We gotta get a picture of this, dude. That was awesome. We're gonna let him go. All right, we let him go. Another one. What we got? Whoo! Another one. What we got? Oh, yes. Nice one. That's what we want, baby. That's what we want. Oh, yes. Get this trolling motor up. Oh, yes. Ooh, bruh. We got another one. He was just chilling on this point. Oh! No! No! Oh my God. Bruh. Let's get back at it. That was still awesome. I think it was a bull red, but oh well. That was still fun. Man. Y'all seen that? That was fun. I'm not even mad. I'm not even mad. Not even mad. That was awesome. Let's get another one. Cool, big old school on him. Riding it, he's right there. They have a big old school right here. Look, they still got some. I just hit one. Oh! Another one. Oh, yes. Nice little rat red. Oh, yes. Whew. Yeah, nice little rat ray. Whew. Take a measurement. It's a little too small. Gotta let him go. That's a school of reds right there. We should have had one right here. I'm gonna swap out colors. We're gonna put the bait that's non-resistible, the blue lightning. They're done. That blue lightning. That blue lightning. That's it. That blue lightning. Whoo! That blue lightning does not play. That blue lightning does not play. I don't know what it is with this color. Ooh, he's all underneath the boat. Nice one. Nice tournament one. God. Blue lightning. That blue lightning does it every freaking time. I don't know what it is with this blue lightning. Yeah. This blue lightning. All right, let's get a measurement. Perfect. Let's get them in the cooler. All right. Y'all seen it. That blue lightning does not play around. Oh my God. That blue lightning just kills it, man. Every time. Bro, I thought. All right. Whew. getting a little warm. We're gonna go ahead and take a little ride, regroup. Got another spot. I think I know where they're gonna have some at. And cool off. Oh. See about cooling off a little bit. It's hot. They got a little tapu, a little squall in the back of us. It's not too far. I don't think we're gonna get no rain, but I did miss the last school. I missed them. They had 3 of them, 3 nice ones, 3 tournament ones. But overall, this is still, I'm having fun. I missed one. Caught the bull red. I missed one, and we caught a little one. And we got a legal size one. But overall, I'm having a blast. So hopefully you're enjoying this video. You know, we're in the bayous, we're in the swamp, the marsh, whatever you want to call Louisiana. Everybody's got different meanings, but I call this my backyard. All right, guys, let's get to the next spot. All right, here we go. Here we go, partner. Let's get back up on the casting platform and see what we can do. That's a snake. Well, guys, that is it, because that rain is right there. We're gonna go ahead and go home, clean this redfish, and we got a whole bunch of fish to vacuum seal. I've been fishing every day. We got speckled trout, we got reds, we got bass. Need to vacuum seal it, and I think that once we're done vacuum sealing, you're gonna have to hit that subscribe button, because we have a new way, a new cool ass way of cooking crabs. You're not gonna want to miss that video. So I drove through the rain. I got a little wet. I got cooled off. It feels really, really good. We came further north towards the marina. This spot right here, in my previous video, I had stopped. And I was gonna try, but the rain came. Well, anyway, this spot right here, those tank barriers right there, when I was a little boy, we used to drive a truck all the way right here. I used to climb on top of them and watch my grandpa P-Road alligator right here, catching huge alligators. He caught like a 12-foot alligator that day. It was crazy. I was like 8 years old as a little boy. I remember that day for the rest of my life. It was awesome. Miss you, Papa. Alright, we're gonna get on the casting platform, see what we could do. Never fished right here. Alligator, but never fished. Go! Go! Woo! Yes! Go! Gah! This is a toad. Gah! This dude's just steadily pulling drag. Steadily pulling drag. Steadily pulling drag. This is a slammer. Golly. This is a slammer. This dude's pulling drag like crazy. Pulling drag. I can't even crank. Whew. Got the trawler mower running to him. Monster. Monster fish. Whoo! Golly. Whoo! Slammer. Yeah. Whoo, my hand's tired. Whoo, come on, man. Whoo. How big y'all think this thing is? Yeah. This thing's monster. Oh, yes. Come on, man. Whoo. Yeah. Freaking gorgeous. All right. See if he'll fit in the net. Oh, yeah. Whoo. Whoo. Goo! Bye. Bye. Goo! Bruh. Frickin' slammer. Slamming them, y'all. Living the dream. Where y'all at? Look how nice this thing is. Sight cast to him. 1 pound, 2 pound. Dude, this ain't no 1, 2 pounder. Freaking got him on that purple haze 7 baits, baby. Man. Whoo! Sight cast to him. Right next to the boat. You're gonna have to watch that. I think I got it on GoPro. Let me check. Oh yeah. All right. Man. Hook is still good. Look, the hook is still good. The bait's still good. Now, one of y'all out there, I appreciate if y'all could screenshot the video while I hold it and send it to me on Facebook. Oh, here we go. Gorgeous red. Let's take a length. See how long he is. My board goes 30 inches. He's probably over 30. Ugh. All right. No, he's only 29 and a half. 29 and a half. Gorgeous rig. Gorgeous. Look at that. Buddy. Yeah. All right. Let's let him go. Ugh. Man. I appreciate that, buddy. All right. There you go. Whoo, look at him. I can still see him. He's slowly swimming away. Yeah! Got him. Got him. Whoo, yes. Got him. Whoo, yeah. Oh yeah. Another one. Yeah. Another one. Woo! Nice little spunky one. Come on, buddy. He's not a big one, but I think he might be Louisiana legal. Whoa. All right. Nice little red. Take a measurement. Oh yeah, we got another one. Yeah, nice little red. I like keeping from 22 to 20-inch reds to eat. That's what I'm looking for. All the other ones I just throw back. I just keep just to ride the good eating size.